Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing and first impression video for you. We got our hands on the highly anticipated Google Pixel 6a and we can't wait to share our thoughts with you. So let's dive right in. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box of the Google 6a, as well as Google has kept the packaging minimalistic and clean. On the front we have Google logo and branding and the Google 6a photo, and right side here is as well as a branding and logo here top, and Google name, and here is IME number and some informations, and this back side here some informations, and as well as the Google branding and the variant. Opening up the box, and we are greeted with the stunning Google Pixel 6a. The device looks sleek and modern with the slim profile and glossy finish. I must say the build quality feels really solid. Inside the box we have few accessories like type C to type C cable, 1 meter, and OTG port. Then here is some documentations with SIM ejector tool, and here is the documentations, and we don't need to read right now, but you can read later. Now let's take a closer look at the Google Pixel 6a. So just the unwrapping this paper, just so satisfying. So on the front we have a beautiful 6.1-inch OLED display with thin bezel, and also has front camera as a console camera in middle. And in this right side here is volume rocker key, very clicky and with the power buttons. On the bottom side here is type C port for charging and data transfer. Here is two speaker hole and with also microphone. And this left side here is SIM, and SIM. This left side here is the SIM ejection tray, and this model also support eSIM. So you can use two SIM. One is physical SIM and another one is eSIM. So that's great. And here is top noise cancellation mic, and this back side here is two camera setup with flashlight. One is 12 megapixel wide, also 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and back side is Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and as well as front glass also Corning Gorilla Glass 3. So let's turn it on and set up for the first time. And here is Google logo, and it take few time to open. Then start, and you can download SIM instead or add SIM. For now you just skip, and I just connect my Wi-Fi. It's searching for Wi-Fi and it getting your phone ready, so it take few moments. Now you can copy your apps and data from your old, and if you're not able to copy data from your old phone, I will make another video for you, just how to copy apps and data on your new Pixel. So don't copy. One notable change from the previous generation is the absence of the physical fingerprint sensor. Instead, the Google has integrated the under display physical sensor, which is a welcome addition for adding convenience and security. But I use a protection glass, so that's why it not work well. So I just open using pin. The Pixel 6a runs on the latest version of Android, and as expected it's offer clean and Bluetooth free user interface. Being a Google device, you can also expect timely software update and best integration with Google service. In terms of performance, the Google Pixel 6a powered by Google Tensor first generation chipset and is equipped with 6 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and it is single variant 128 GB storage, UFS 3.1. Well, we have not had the chance to test it extensively yet. Initial impressions are quite positive. The device feels snappy and responsive, and we expect it to handle day-to-day tasks with ease. Battery life is always constant for smartphone users, and the Pixel 6 comes with 4410 milliampere battery, which should easily get up to a full day of usage. We'll putting it to the test in our upcoming in-depth review. So that wrap up our unboxing and first impression of the Google Pixel 6a. From the sleek design to the promising camera capabilities, this phone seems like a great options to the mid-range segment. We'll be spending more time with it testing out its various features. So stay tuned for our full review coming soon. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give its thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech review and unboxing. Thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing in the next one.